Well, welcome back. So we have Winter Storm Alston. I thought it was gonna be Austin for some reason, but nope, it's Alston. Alston. So, and we do have blizzard conditions in parts of South Dakota, and we'll likely see that in parts of maybe North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Although Michigan and Wisconsin may be partly due to lake effect enhancement, but as is, this is what we're looking at here. Yeah, winter storm warning. I wanted this because this one's blizzard warning. So yeah, that's what we're looking at here. I'm gonna hit play on this because I don't know why I haven't. But as is, plan your travels accordingly. Stay safe out there. See you in the next video.